What's up guys, Junior here with A Mustangs, bringing you back another video. Got Alex here, he's working on a 67 currently. Today it's not gonna be an install video or anything like that, it's more of an introduction to a new project that we're gonna bring here to the channel. I had mentioned it before on the saline headlight install video that I had done. And well, here's the new project. It's a 1990 Ford Mustang LX 7-Up edition. So we had actually picked this up, Alex and I, like 3 years ago, probably 2. We found it cheap and then we got sold in between the family, whatever. It's been sitting in the garage. So we finally are gonna be able to start to work on it. As you can see here, we got a bunch of parts ready for it. We just gotta do the work on it now. It is a pretty solid car. Obviously, it's unfaded. Top is like a Starlight when you look at it from the inside. It's done. And it's got, the only really ding it has is this right here. It's got like a slight, like where they hit something, so we gotta fix that. But other than that, the car is really solid. It actually has 98,000 miles original, 98,000 original miles on it. And I mean, interior, the seats are, they're done. So the leather is no more, all that good stuff. Surprisingly, the dash is not cracked, so that's a major plus there. We might need like vents, stuff like that. This door doesn't open, stuff like that. We do, however, already have door handles and stuff like that. So this is probably the first thing we're gonna tackle is this door. It does run and drive. We actually drove it back when we bought it. The car had sat, probably the guy said like a year or something. We went and put a new battery on it, drove it home. And then we parked it in my garage, never moved again. So now we turn it on again, and as many of y'all know, here's all the parts. These are the old wheels off of my foxbody, so these are going on that. And we also got all these other goodies over here. So we already have new carpet, we have a light bar, we have new upholstery, so it's gonna be the white to keep the 7-Up look on it. We got a new convertible top, that's white of course, to keep the original. We got lowering springs, BBK goodies, headlights, and we're also gonna do a Cobra wing on it, or a spoiler. So we're actually gonna get rid of this rack back here. It looks a little, I guess you can say, girlish.
We're not gonna get rid of it.
Oh, true. We're not gonna get rid of it. We're planning on trying to get another trunk. So we keep the factory one, like in storage or something, but we're gonna get one that's smooth and do the spoiler on it. That way it gets a little more of a sporty American muscle kind of look to it. Other than that, the car does have, I'm pretty sure, solid rolled rotors. I think I was looking in there, stuff like that. It does come with a wiper alarm, so it actually has remote start, which is really nice. Other than that, I mean, it's just factory little 7-Up Mustang. So this is gonna be the intro to this car, this project. So we're actually gonna, by we, I mean Alex is actually gonna paint it too. We're gonna paint it the original color, and we'll bring it back to its prime. Unfortunately, we never filmed everything on my car. We filmed things here and there, but we never filmed when we first got it or anything like that. So this will be nice because we're gonna be able to film it from beginning to end. Like anybody could have gone and get this 7-Up, fall on Craigslist, you know, and then we're gonna bring it back to its prime, make it run good, give a little goodies here and there, make it look good, cruise it. So we'll make everything work as far as like the AC, all that good stuff. It's gonna be a nice solid little car. Alex has done a top before, so that should be hopefully fairly simple. We haven't tried to make it go up and down yet. We'll do that in a future video because the car's in the garage now, but I don't want to make it go down and we have to move it back up, and we can't. But let me know in the comments what you think. Fox bodies are starting to get a little more popular, I've noticed lately. They're getting more expensive and harder to find. Luckily we've had this, and I gotta say I do miss my Fox body, so I mean it'd be nice to work on another one again and get this one running good. I will say this is a way better slate than mine was. Mine was way worse than this one. So this one at least wants to drive. We can drive it right now if we wanted to, but you know, you get what you get. So we got lucky. I found this on Craigslist one day, went and got it. So it's cool. It's a 7-Up edition of the Fox body, so it's a little cooler than usual, you know. It's the only green with white, and we're gonna make it look good, run good, and break some necks as we do. As always, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. You don't want to miss this project. We're gonna do a video a week like we've been doing, and hopefully we'll get this project going, and by next year hopefully we'll have this thing all ready to go and we can start the next one. Alex, as you can see, is working a 67 over there, so that one we're doing content on, and I think he hit his finger over there somewhere.
Oh, you always hit your fingers, but what happens when you buy springs? I don't know. I honestly don't know what these springs were off of, but don't do this at home, but I'm gonna cut them to lower, because they were supposed to be lowering springs, and this thing's like 4 inches off the tire, so yeah, we're gonna cut these.
So there you go. Even we do crazy stuff like that. But you know, for Mustang content, all that good stuff, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys all for subscribing. We passed 1,000. We're getting there. We do plan on keeping this consistent. We've been doing it once a week lately. Can't wait to get started on this foxbody. Hopefully you get driving a foxbody again, and we'll catch you on the next one.